My PC build, I'll be using the standard MSI motherboard for the LGA 1151 socket, 8GB of Fury HyperX. I'll be adding another stick shortly. It's good to have more for editing and multiple monitors. i5 6600K, good for gaming, really good, and for editing, so I went with that. Good high rated Arctic MX2 thermal compound. Hyper 212 Evo CPU cooler. GTX 1060 for good ultra games at 60 FPS. Full modular, unfortunately. Corsair 550 watt. That was a nightmare to put in, I'll tell you that. 1 terabyte of blue HDD. NZXT H440 Razer edition. This is a really good case for airflow, by the way. Sorry about the quality, by the way. I was recording with a Panasonic HCV110. I'm getting new equipment soon this week, new microphone and cameras and stuff, so yeah, expect better videos. I am just starting out. Anyway, hope you enjoy the video. So now my PC is built, I'm going to start doing some gaming now. I'm going to start with Ark Survival this week. It's going to be a continuing series. I've got some other stuff planned as well. And I'm going to upload as much as I can. I can't wait. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and remember the most important thing is, stay goosey.